briefly about purchasing new construction and the whether or not it's warranted or important to do individual home inspection. I get this question a lot from my buyers. Okay, I'm buying a brand new construction. It's brand new, never been lived on. Everything's brand new. Why do I need to do a home inspection? Here's what the thing is. Yes, they are correct. You are correct. It is a brand new construction. Everything is brand new. Everything's from the roofing, from the structure, from the foundation, all the appliances. And your biggest issue when it comes to buying a house that you're always concerned about is your roof, your electrical, and your plumbing. Also in addition to your foundation, those are always your things that you have on on the back of your mind. Okay, if those things were to have issues, there's potentially a lot of expenses that can come into play. So by going on new construction, that automatically give you the ease of mind that yes, okay, I don't have to worry about those things because they are brand new. Is a brand new built. I don't have to worry about the roof. The roof is just put on, probably just a few months old. I don't have to worry about plumbing. I don't have to worry about electrical issue. But here's the thing. You have to look at this transaction as investment. You buying a house. Okay, the average home in Tampa, Florida, right now is averaging between I say about 220,000 to $240,000. So for let's say for $200,000, for $220,000, that will be your total investment, and the average price of a home inspection probably won't run you between 300 to 350 or up to $400. That's on average. So now you have to ask yourself, okay, is it worth? Does it make financial sense that I'm going to be making an investment purchase, whether or not you plan to live in this house with your family or this is just strictly an investment property where you're going to be renting? It's still an investment. You have an asset that has the potential to appreciate in value. You get your tax base. So buying a home, whether or not it's going to be your primary home or it's going to be an investment property, is essentially an investment purchase. So you have to ask yourself, does it make financial sense for less than 1% of the total purchase price? I'm not going to give myself the added security or the added protection to make sure that this new construction doesn't have any fault. Meaning that those houses are being built by humans, and things can get missed. Mistake can happen. But another layer with these new construction, of course, one thing that I always tell my buyers is that okay, you do have the county official, which is the code of enforcement, that want to make sure that each section of the house or each stages of the house, they're on site checking it. So once they pulled in foundation, you have a county representative that's going to make sure that is up to county code, how everything is poured and things of nature. Once you do the structure, start putting stud in things of nature, they check it again. So you do have a county official that's going to make sure that the house is being built per code, per county or state code. But that is just the bare minimum when it comes to giving you that peace of mind. Because what a home inspector, a licensed home inspector, going to do to the house once you hire them to actually inspect this particular house, they're going to go and really deep dive into really deep, make sure that not only that, yeah, it meets county code, but did they even cut any corners? With the roof, what kind of materials are they going they use to do the roof? Is this a shingle that 5 years from now, because it's so cheap or inexpensive, do you have to worry? Are you gonna have to worry about replacing this roof 5 years from now? Are you gonna have to worry about potentially water leaks because of the type of material used? Keep in mind the county official, as long as it's within county code, that's what they really checking for. Are those houses being built within county code? But the home inspector is going. What they want to protect is the future of that investment. Is the way it's being built, the materials being used, can this actually cause any potential issue in the future? So I would definitely recommend. It's not a requirement, when customers ask me is whether or not I should do a home inspection, I always advise them I'll recommend a home inspection because it will give you that added security, that added peace of mind to make sure that, okay, in addition to the county enforcer, the county inspector, now you also have an independent licensed inspector that's going to go around, and this is usually is done after the house is built, and that's going to go around and make sure that there's not any issues where they can actually, that can become a problem in the near future. Okay, so they could tell you, okay, yes, the plumbing is built within county code, but the pipe being used, the couplings within the pipe, is this something that's going to potentially rust in the near future? Is this something that I have to worry about? So those are the essential duties when it comes to new construction for a home inspector. Can this home potentially cause any have any issues in the near future? One thing that you also notice that with the stucco start peeling off, things of that nature because of the designing flaws, how the house is designed. So when it rains, and you know in Florida, and especially in Tampa, we get a lot of tropical rain. When it rains, the water doesn't have any good way of flowing or escaping to the ground. So what that essentially does, it actually get behind the stucco. Then that's essentially a potential issue. So they're gonna look at all that, how the house is structured and things of that nature. So for extra $400, extra $300, which is less than 1% of the purchase price of a house, is definitely worth it. But there are builders out there where I feel more comfortable versus others where I say, okay, based on the builder and their reputation in the community, I feel more comfortable where you can skip the home inspection. But there are builders that I highly would recommend it. But I understand you're getting a brand new house. It's just like getting a brand new car. You get a brand new house. It has the warranty in place because you already know you have the 10 years foundation warranty. So that's already in place for you. So if something were to come about, you know you can go back to the builder and have them address it. Usually on your appliances, it give you 1 to 2 years. Electrical, all those components in the house does have warranties in place. But majority of the warranties going to pretty much be gone within 2 years, except 2 to 3 years, except for the foundation, the structure of the house. That's usually on average about 10 years. So 5 years from now, 6 years from now, are you gonna have issues because let it be the type of materials being used, or let it be on designing flaws. So those are those are some of the components to really consider. But again, there are some builders out there that I feel more comfortable with, where I wouldn't really push for a home inspection, but there are builders out there where I definitely would recommend that a home inspection is definitely. I highly recommend a home inspection because of the type of volume how they built, the volume they built, and just again, you want to have that added peace of mind because you don't want to be in a house 5 years from now where issues started to arise, and the first thing they're gonna ask you, oh, did you do an inspection? So again, the extra $300, the extra $400 is well worth doing that inspection. Again, if you have any questions regarding the market in Tampa, also you're a real estate agent in different markets. If you, especially in Texas market, Austin, Dallas, if you're in different markets in New York, if you definitely in Georgia. If you have a referral, vice versa, if you let me know. Again, my number is 404-798-7362. You can call or text me. Let me know that you are interested in working together as for referral. So if I have a client that's in Tampa looking to move in your market area, I can reach out to you, vice versa. So again, if you have any potential referrals, send them my way, and vice versa. I'll send some your way as well. Again, this is Fred, your real estate expert and Tampa Bay, signing out. Again, if you have any additional questions, let me know. Please share this video. If you think it'll be useful to anybody else, share it, like it, subscribe in my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it. Again, I'm a licensed real estate agent in Tampa, Florida. I greatly appreciate all your business. Thank you.